In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. If you're looking to establish a limited liability company and make the most of Northwest Registered Agent services, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a first-time entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, this guide will help you navigate through the setup process with ease and confidence. To begin, once you've created your account with Northwest Registered Agent, you'll find yourself on the homepage of their dashboard. This user-friendly interface is designed to provide you with all the tools and resources you need to manage your LLC effectively. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll quickly notice how intuitive it is, making it easy for you to locate the features you need. On the homepage, you'll see various sections, including active services, active orders, and your business. The Active Services section is where you can track the different services you're currently using with Northwest Registered Agent. This could include their Registered Agent service, compliance notifications, and more. Keeping an eye on this section will help ensure that all necessary services are active and up to date for your LLC. Next, you'll want to explore the Active Orders section. This is where you can view any ongoing or pending orders related to your LLC formation. It's a good idea to regularly check this section to stay informed about the status of your orders and any additional steps you may need to take. If you have recently placed an order to form your LLC, you can monitor its progress here. Now, let's take a closer look at the Business section. This part of the dashboard is dedicated to providing an overview of your business's current status. You'll find important information such as your LLC's name, formation date, and state of formation. This section is also where you can access documents related to your LLC, such as your articles of organization, operating agreements, and any other necessary paperwork. As you familiarize yourself with these sections, remember that Northwest Registered Agent is designed to make the process of managing your LLC as seamless as possible. Their support team is available to assist you at any point should you have questions or need further clarification on any aspect of your LLC formation or management. By following these steps and utilizing the tools provided by Northwest Registered Agent, you can efficiently set up and maintain your LLC, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the process of starting an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out, and don't hesitate to explore additional resources to ensure the success of your business venture.